Everyone, and salam alaikum. This is Professor Noha El-Bassiouny, Professor of Marketing and the Vice Dean for Academic Affairs at the Faculty of Management Technology, the German University in Cairo. And this is a short video abstract of the research entitled Individual Choice of Management Research Agendas, Ethical Guidance from Islamic Prioritization Heuristics that was published at the International Journal of Humanities and Applied Social Sciences that was founded by Cairo University and is published by Emerald Group. Now, what is the importance of this research and what is it about? This research is about how individual researchers can prioritize the research agendas. And we started with this foundational question, which is if you had resources to do a research project, what research topics would you choose to research in? Now, this is a question as we are all trying to prioritize our research agendas. And we have found researchers that have prioritized certain areas for researchers in marketing, by the Marketing Science Institute, for example, in human resources, in leadership, in particular sectors. But we have not found researchers that showed scholars heuristics or certain guidelines or guidance as to how they should choose the research agendas. And we thought that this is a very foundational question that is not just important for basically what kind of research that you are doing or how you conduct research, but also why you conduct the research that you conduct. And we relied on what is called the Islamic jurisprudence of priorities, or fiqh al-awlawiyat, as a foundational premise upon which we based our theoretical base for this research. And jurisprudence of priorities basically outlines certain heuristics for guidance for mankind, basically that there is a priority for a greater benefit than a smaller benefit, priority for collective well-being and societal well-being more than individual well-being. And we started out with guidance from this theoretical lens. So basically, we said that scholars to conduct research need to ask themselves first, is this research a necessity, a need, or just a luxury? And if there is a tie between two projects, for example, that are both necessities or that are both needs, then you judge based on the second point is you judge based on the surrounding context. And the surrounding context can give you guidance as to which research to go for. For example, you can, if we are talking about Egypt, for example, you can decide to do research that is based on the prioritization process of the country, the national priorities of the country. For example, Egypt 2030 vision, or maybe the UN Sustainable Development Goals as they relate to Egypt. So I encourage you to read this article, this research. Again, that is published at the Journal of Humanities and Applied Social Sciences. And it's accessible through the EKB here in Egypt. And I hope this is a start for more research that addresses this foundational question. What ethical principles and moral priorities should guide the prioritization process of scholars' research agendas? Thank you very much.